Hi, welcome to another video from technery.com, and we always review softwares and gadgets on a regular basis. And today we will review an important adapter. So this is an adapter for MacBook Pro. So we will talk about the features of this charger or adapter, as you can see. So we'll do the unboxing of this charger or adapter. So this is the Artis AR-60W-MG1 60 watts laptop adapter or charger, which is compatible with MacBook Pro 13-inch MacBook unibody for 16.5 volt or 3.65 amperes. So it is an L-tip connector. So as you can see, so this is for people who have been using MacBook Pro since a long time, and I will tell you what kind of laptops are compatible with it. And while using the charger wire is cable is broken or it is like damaged, then there's an option to buy a new one. So the thing is that when you go for an original MacBook Pro charger, it costs you a good amount, like 6-7 thousand rupees. And instead of that, there are alternatives like this one, which I have purchased, which is the Artis AR-60W-MG1 60 watts laptop adapter or charger. As we can see, we have unboxed the device. This is the warranty card. So they give 1 year warranty. So this is the actual adapter and charger. It looks neat for sure, though there's some yellow thing, I don't know what it is, and I don't know what it is, like a mark or something. But yeah, let's start the review. So while doing the unboxing, we are actually looking at the product, and there is a proper cable, though there's no 3-point plug. It's a 2-point adapter. And if you're having the old MacBook Pro's 3-point adapter, then you can actually replace that 2-point thing adapter to the 3-point adapter, which is very safe to use for sure. So I have done that, and this is not only unboxing, we have done the review of it. So I have extensively used it for more than 2 weeks, and this is an amazing adapter, though you cannot be 100% satisfied with it, because the MacBook original charger is the MacBook original charger from Apple. It cannot be replaced by anything, but this serves the purpose, as it is for only 1799. So it will certainly serve the purpose, and it really charges well. So we will test it out. We'll show you how it tests. So see, as you can see, this is a 60-watt laptop adapter. Yeah, of course, it's made in China, and many devices are made in China as well. So this is from the company Artis, and Artis company is well known for the speakers. So they're having a lot of portable speakers, and they are actually known for that. Okay, so this adapter works well with MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2012. Yes, my laptop is from 2012 mid, still works amazing. So it is a Mac. It also works with MacBook Pro 13-inch late 2011, MacBook Pro 13-inch early 2011, MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2010, MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2010, MacBook Pro 13-inch late 2009, unibody MacBook mid 2010. So we are actually charging the device, as you can see. So it works with unibody MacBook late 2009 as well. So as you can see, the green light has been changed to red, and charging has started successfully. So as you can see, the charger is working for sure. This cable is again it might worn out, I don't know, but after 2 weeks I'm happy with the product. And yeah, it does give pleasant experience, not 100% satisfaction for sure, but yes, it does serve the purpose. I'm 80% happy with this product. So it's at a steel deal 1799. You can check out in the description below the link to buy it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep watching our videos. Like it and share it. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe.